Hey friends, coming to you today from the workshop. I got a replacement. So I've been using this tackle bag for a number of years. It's from Bass Pro Shops. The problem I ran into is that I do some saltwater fishing, and you can see that these zippers get a whole lot of corrosion and then they stop working. Metal zippers plus saltwater is tough. So my goal today is to replace this bag. With this bag I got off the TikTok shop. This bag is from a company called Rodeel, R-O-D-E-E-L. It is a soft-sided tackle bag, and it comes with a number of boxes as well. So I'm going to go off camera for a little bit, and I will show you what it looks like coming back, switching all of this gear into this bag, and we'll see what fits and what doesn't. All right, so here we go. I was able to get the vast majority of these items together after I've reorganized my bag, put things of like size together. So I have all of my hard boxes in here. I've labeled them with my miscellaneous stuff on top: sunscreen, bug repellent, a spare reel, some power bait, and this is my little to-go terminal tackle. So if I want to leave my bag and head off, I keep little hooks, sinkers, and whatnot in this little terminal tackle. It's actually made to hold shotgun shells, but works pretty damn good for a little to-go kit. So that's that. I have my hemostats on the front, some fly float in the front. I have my favorite soft bait, which are white curltail grubs in the side for quick access. And then I still have two pouches over here, so I got to throw my multi-tool. Oh, I forgot. A quick knife goes in the side. Multi-tool go in there. And then that'll be it. The only thing I wasn't able to fit was I have a specific box that I like my terminal tackle in for bass. So I have all of my stuff here. And actually, my multi-tool is in here, so I'll take it out, throw it into the side pouch here. Perfect. But the good thing is this little box will fit right on the top, and the handle still goes over. So no worries about having one extra box while we go. And that is the soft-sided tackle box that comes with the inserts from Rodeel off of the TikTok shop. So I think the price on this was like, I think it was said $13.99, but then you have like $8 shipping. So it was around $21 all said and done, but I think it's a great deal. I'm now organized, ready to go out when we go fishing.